Time, an unstoppable force, a river that flows only in one direction, forward. But what if, just what if, we could reverse its flow? What if we could bend the very fabric of reality and travel through time itself? The idea may seem like science fiction, but what if it's not? From the dawn of civilization, humans have been obsessed with time. Our ancestors watched the stars, built sundials, and created calendars, all to understand and control the passage of time. But beneath this quest lies a deeper, darker question. Is it possible to escape the relentless march of time? Can we travel backward into the past or leap forward into the future? Einstein's theory of relativity shattered our understanding of time. No longer just a constant, it became something flexible, intertwined with space, capable of stretching and bending under the right conditions. This revelation opened the door to the possibility of time travel. Wormholes, these theoretical tunnels through space-time, could potentially connect different moments in time, allowing one to step from the present into the distant past or future. But the question remains, can they be created? Or do they exist naturally, hidden somewhere in the vast expanse of the universe, waiting to be discovered? Physicists have long debated the feasibility of such a journey. The energy required to keep a wormhole stable, the dangers of paradoxes where the past and future collide. These are not just theoretical problems, but barriers that stand between us and the dream of time travel. Yet, even with these barriers, strange stories have emerged throughout history. Tales of individuals who seem to have slipped through the cracks of time, like the eerie legend of the time-traveling hipster, a man dressed in modern clothing, seemingly out of place in a 1941 photograph. Could this be evidence of someone who found a way to travel through time? And then there's the perplexing case of Rudolph Fentz, a man who allegedly appeared in New York City in 1950, dressed in 19th century clothing and carrying items that seemed to belong to another era. According to the legend, he was struck by a car and killed, leaving behind baffling clues that hinted at time travel. Although this story has been largely debunked, it continues to fuel the imagination. One of the most intriguing modern accounts comes from the mysterious figure known as John Titor. In the early 2000s, Titor appeared on internet forums, claiming to be a time traveler from the year 2036. He described a world torn apart by civil war, advanced technology, and a time machine built by a future IBM. His predictions and detailed technical descriptions left many wondering, was he a clever hoax, or could he have been a real traveler from the future? John Titor's sudden disappearance from the online world only deepened the mystery. Was he a fraud who feared exposure, or did he return to his own time, leaving us with a tantalizing glimpse of what might come? In the present day, scientists are pushing the boundaries of our understanding of time. Quantum physics, a field where the rules of reality seem to break down, offers tantalizing hints at the possibility of time travel. In quantum mechanics, particles can exist in multiple states at once, and some experiments suggest they might even move backward in time. At the forefront of this research is the Large Hadron Collider, where physicists are attempting to recreate conditions that existed at the very beginning of time, hoping to discover new particles or phenomena that could unlock the secret of time travel. Some even speculate that the LHC could inadvertently create miniature wormholes or reveal the existence of cosmic strings, hypothetical one-dimensional objects that could allow time travel if harnessed correctly. But the challenges are immense. The energy required to manipulate time, the dangers of creating paradoxes, and the ethical implications of altering the past or future are just a few of the hurdles that lie ahead. So, is time travel possible? And if it is, has someone already unlocked its secrets? The evidence is fragmented, the theory's complex, but one thing is certain. We are closer than ever to unraveling the mystery of time. Perhaps someone, somewhere, has already stepped through the door of time, leaving only whispers of their journey behind. Could the next one be you? See you tomorrow.